Hey guys, it is me, Stace. Today we are making a super simple card. This is an Easter card. There's the front of it there, and then we also have the inside. Alright, so to get started, you will need some cardstock, and I'm first going to go over the cardstock measurements, then we'll go over the paper measurements. So for the base of the card, I chose white. This is 4 1/4 by 11. You want to score that at 5 1/2, and our card will open up like a calendar, top to bottom. For the inside white piece, this measures 3 3/4 by 5. Our front pieces, this one is 1 1/2 by 5 1/4, 2 1/4 by 3 3/4, and the greeting piece is 1 1/2 by 2 1/2. Then we have our paper, and I just chose random scraps I had. The front matte piece for the card, this measures 4 by 5 1/4. Then we have our layer pieces here. The long one is 1 1/4 by 5. This one is 2 by 3 1/2. Then I just have 2 pieces of scraps for the inside of the card. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is bring over my mat for the front of the card. I'm going to flip it over, add some ribbon to it. So I have a little piece of ribbon here. I'm just going to cut that. Grab some Scotch tape. Okay. Just take this, and I just got this spool of ribbon from Walmart. Just going to grab some and put it toward the bottom. Tape it on the back. And bring it around over the front to make sure it's nice and straight, and then just tape it on the back. Okay, just like that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we can take this piece and glue that to the front of our card. I'm using art glitter glue. I get this from Made It. So this is the beginning of our no gadget card series that we're doing. This will be every other Thursday. It's where we make a card using just simple supplies. No machines, no dies, no folders, nothing fancy. All right, now we're going to go ahead and layer all these pieces. And I will have all the measurements in the video below in the description box and also on my website. To get this one lined up. Okay. And the paper I chose, I was going, like I said, Easter card. I don't have any Easter paper. It's not really cards I make a lot for. So I just kind of chose paper that seemed Easter-like. Like these are little flowers, which I think are definitely Easter and spring. And then this one, the pieces reminded me of bunny ears, so I chose that one as well. All right, so we have that and we have that. Let's go ahead and take another piece of ribbon. We're going to tie our bow. Bring this in under. If you don't want to use ribbon, you can certainly use twine or whatever you have. You don't want your bow to be super tight, so it makes the paper curl up. And if you guys know me, you guys know I'm not the best at tying bows, but we're going to go with it. Just tighten it up as I go a little bit, then loosen it, just to get my loops the size I like. Okay, we're going to go with that one there. I take this piece, put some glue on the back. This is going to go across the front, toward the left. Just like that. Then we have this piece. Whoop. So a very simple card. And you can easily change up the paper. If you had Easter paper, you can certainly do that. I just like the layout of this card. All right, let's do our stamping. And the stamps that I'm using is one of May's, and it is called Happy. Really fun one. It's got the word happy, and it has birthday, Mother's Day, Easter, Father's Day, so all kinds of holidays on there. And of course, ours is going to say Happy Easter. I like Butterfingers today. All right, so we're going to stamp the word happy. I'm going to do it on an angle. This way I don't need to worry about it being straight. All right, and then the word Easter kind of down here. So really simple stamping, right? All right. Oops, I'm going to pop this up on foam squares. Let me go ahead and grab them. I thought I had them out. I do. Okay. I'm just going to use 4 on this one. because they're the rather large ones. Take the backing off, give them all a squish. Okay, and again, to keep things simple, I'm going to put this on the front of the card on an angle. Go ahead and trim our ribbon tails down some. Okay, so the front of the card is done. Wasn't that quick? All right, now let's do the inside. I forgot to say there's another piece of cardstock. I chose brown. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Whenever I use white cardstock for the base of the card, I like bringing in a piece of color on the inside. I definitely have butterfingers today. Okay, that's going to go in here. Okay, and then we have our white. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my little strips. So the same paper I used on the outside. This one is 3/4 inches wide by, I don't know, longer than 4. This is a 1/2 inch longer than the height of the card. There's something on my paper there. It looks like something black. Okay, we'll flip it over. All right, so take this strip, and I'm going to line it at the bottom, or a little bit above the bottom. Make sure it's straight. Okay, then take the other one, and that's going to go across on the side, just to bring some of the outside of the card to the inside. Now we're going to trim all that off. Okay, so there's that. I'm a tad bit crooked there. All right, then going to trim all the extra pieces off. Okay, I'm going to flip this over, put glue on it, and our card is done. So you can see our very first card together was super simple. Some of them might be, you know, more like a shaped card or a fun fold card, but I thought the first card, going to keep it pretty simple. All right, guys, there you have it. We have that card and we have that card. I will play with that bow when I'm done. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.